Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can apply for the Bank of America reward credit card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then the first thing, you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com/travel reward credit card. You can also find this link on my description box below. So this particular link will directly lead you to the page where you'll be able to apply for the travel reward credit card. As you can see, the interface will look something like this, and on this page you can go through. There are statements as well as information regarding the card. So in order to apply for it, just tap on apply in the bottom left corner. And right on this page, once again, there are statements. So make sure to go through all of these following statements. And then in order to begin with the application portal, if you scroll down, you can see that there are blank spaces. First of all, you need to provide your first name, and after that you also need to provide a residential address. Make sure to provide it correct, and once you do that, you have all of these billing address, and after that you need to enter your phone number for the security purpose or for the contact information. And the email is optional. In case if you want to add it, then you can simply enter the email address, and entering your email will actually help you in a lot of process. And make sure to enter your email as well, and once you do that, tap on save and continue. As you tap on it, once again you'll be directed to another page, and then you need to provide the information as they've asked. And once you provide all of these information, and then you'll be able to request for the card, and you'll also be notified through an email or an SMS that you have applied for the credit card. Of what you need to do is you need to wait for a couple of days in order to receive the credit card, and as you receive your credit card, you also need to activate it, and then you'll be able to use it. So that is how you can apply for the travel reward credit card on Bank of America. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.